Hi guys, happy week 4. We're starting a brand new week and I wanted to give you a quick update on what we're doing, kind of how to do the week. Now, the week is very similar. I've got you guys on Khan Academy this week, so I want to go through and show you what I see and kind of what you should be expecting and all that fun. So, today is Monday. Now, I've set it up to where you have to do everything in order. So, come Wednesday, if you have not finished Monday and Tuesday assignment, you cannot just jump to Wednesday and complete it because that's what you want to do. It's going to make you do it in sequential order. So Monday first, after you finish Monday, do Tuesday. So I would hope that you don't get all the way till Friday and then have to start at Monday again. So think about that as you go through this. Now, I'm starting on my home page. Just a quick reminder. There's my name. Here's how you get a hold of me. My Zoom meetings, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 a.m. are right here. Now at 10 a.m. to 11, you can still contact me on Tuesday and Thursdays, but I won't have a Zoom. You can just message me or give me a call if you need my help. And then in the afternoon, I'm available from 2 to 3, and there's my Zoom. All you got to do is click it, and it'll open up at 2 o'clock whenever I open it. Remember that these are grades, so I'm not just giving completion grades anymore. It's official grades. So those who haven't turned in stuff from this past week, you got zeros in the grade book until I see something completed and graded. So make sure you get that done. Now, going to modules, we are on now week 4. I'm going to leave up week 2 for a couple more days for those who have just now gotten internet and things like that, but I'm going to take it down by Wednesday. So if you have zeros in your grade book, make sure you get rid of that. This will be up for another week, and then I'll take that down as well. So I'm working it on. So here's week 4. I haven't published it yet here, but by the time you watch this video, it will be published. So clicking on Monday, here's the video that you'll watch first. So you're going to work, and we're reviewing multiplying mixed numbers. So this is all review, so that's great. You're going to watch this video that I'm doing right now, and then it says you need to get on Khan Academy. So everyone should have already gotten on Khan Academy. However, I know that you haven't. There's only a handful from both of my classes that have gotten on. So if you are in Miss Treading's class, like right here, you will click this link and it will open up, and you need to log into Khan Academy and make an account because you haven't. But this will take you to where it needs to. If you have, then you need to get on and get started. So after you complete this one, click here first if you have not. You know who you are if you've already gotten on Khan Academy. If you need to know, let me know and I'll help you out as much as I can. So, and Miss Hudson's class has another link. Click that link and it'll open up. Then you go here to Khan Academy. Simply click the link and it'll open up to the lesson for the day. So, this has 3 parts to it. This quick video, so you'll watch the video first.
Multiply 1 3/4 times 7 1/5.
Now, I'm not going to watch the whole thing with you right now, but as you watch, get your paper out and practice with him, please. Go through the process, get some stuff done, remember what we've done in the past. And then you're going to do these 2 practice problems. So your first one here will open up, go through and do the work on paper, click your answer. Then you have one more here. Again, practice the problem, click your answer. So that's very simple. It's not super hard. There's 4 problems. I think there's 8 problems total. So there's 4 problems here and 4 problems here. And then that's all you'll have to do today. As you submit it, it'll submit to me on Khan Academy, and we're good to go. Okay? Now, that's all you're doing here. But I want to show you what you're doing kind of for the rest of the week. It's very similar. Every day has something in Khan Academy. So you're going to watch a video and do a Khan Academy. You may have a discussion here. You'll have a discussion here in a moment to answer some questions for me, and then do something on Khan Academy. So it's very straightforward, but you got to make sure you get the stuff done, okay? Let me know what questions you have. I miss you all. We're getting through this. See you later.